Hi, Christian Baldwin here again with Black Diamond Mergers and Acquisitions. Today I want to talk about insurance. Insurance, of course, is always important when we're working with a client to buy a business. But now it seems like it's even more important than it was before, and we need more time on the deal process to make sure that the right insurance is acquired and for the best premium. It's because of COVID, unfortunately. Insurance carriers right now are having a hard time assessing potential future risk based on the environment that we're living in. And it is impacting all different industries and all different kinds of insurance. For example, recently a transaction that we were working on required premium insurance from the lender's perspective, and that wasn't because of the specific deal we were working on necessarily. It was because more of a general question exists in the marketplace, and that question is, what is the future default rate likely to be for American businesses moving forward if they were to fail based on, again, the COVID environment that we're now faced with? I think this will hopefully be more of a short-term situation, and once we find a vaccine and things level out over time, it in theory would return back to normal. And I know supposedly Congress is working on this with the insurance industry itself, but in the meantime, where does that leave you if you're going to buy a business? Well, you need to add an insurance expert to your deal team earlier on in the process than you might normally. So this looks like probably at the start of due diligence, an insurance person that you trust, adding them to your team alongside your M&A advisor, your attorney, and your accountant to do, first of all, a thorough review of the existing policies. Those can be workers' compensation, health care, they can be general liability, property, all of the insurance policies that the business currently has. And then you have to work on deciding, depending on whether you're doing an asset or stock transaction, there's some nuances when it comes to insurance, but let's say you're doing an asset transaction, you're going to have to get new policies issued. So there's some negotiations that are going to take place between your buying team and the insurance companies to make sure you have the right coverage. Previously, this wasn't that big of a deal because an existing business that had a good modifier, for example, on workers' comp, that was recognized. Now the underwriting process of the carriers is going to take longer. You probably need 4 to 6 weeks to make sure that you can allow proper time to do this work and to make sure you're getting the right coverage for the right price. We've seen it in a number of deals recently, and we're not insurance experts here at Black Diamond, but we do work with a number of them across the country. So if you need a recommendation, we're happy to provide that. We hope everybody is well and safe out there, and if there's anything we can do for you, whether you're looking to sell or buy a business, please reach out and let us know. Thanks. Until next time.